African kitchen. What you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen. What you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my hands. African kitchen, what you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen, what you cooking in the kitchen? African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my...
Hello everyone out there. Anytime I have to come into your living room, I'm always so excited. It's nice to be here again on your #1 television cookery program, African Kitchen. My name remains Buki Ogunnote and I'm your host. Today with me, I have a mother. I won't tell you much about her. I'll wait for her to come here so that she can tell us more about herself. But trust me, as usual on this program, it promises to be entertaining all the way. Make sure you stay glued to your television set and don't miss a bit out of everything, because you're going to learn a lot and also be entertained. African Kitchen is the program. I'll see you soon after this break. You're welcome back, viewers. If you're just joining me, no cause for alarm. Don't be worried, because I'm just about to take off. All right, let me bring in my guests straight away without wasting much time. Please join me as I welcome into the kitchen. All right, my darling sister, please come in your own style. Wow, this is wonderful. It's nice to have you.
Yeah, thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. You're looking so beautiful. Please, I want you to introduce yourself to my viewers at home. Listen, man, you're going to tell them your name.
Okay.
You're going to tell them what you're doing, and you're going to tell them where you're from, because they really want to know where you come from.
Okay.
All right, over to you.
All right. I'm Mrs. Uweme, the head mistress of Faji Private School.
Oh,
You know, Carrefour.
I'm going to collect money for adverts. No wahala. You know.
So I'm from Abia State.
Wow.
Yes.
Abia State.
Yes.
Each time I hear Abia State again, you know, I always have a phobia. My cousin was killed in Abia State.
Wow, sorry for that.
Honestly. May he so rest in peace. Okay. Well, you're from Abia State. That does not mean Abia people are very bad. No.
Yes,
Which of the local governments are you from?
Local government.
Oh, local government.
Yes.
All right, beautiful. I want you to do something for me. You're going to greet your people in your dialects. You will tell them you're here in African Kitchen to do some cooking. Over to you.
Ndewo no umunem. Anu me ba tata ime East African Kitchen. Isiri hanni. Ona honum no nyonyo. Ka isie ka hazie ihe ka odire no. So petrol that is one African Kitchen. They are wonderful.
Thank you.
So, I'm proud of them.
Thank you. I love that, and I'm going to give you another free advert because of what you have endorsed for us. All right, tell us the name of your school once again, and let's know.
Private School at Okafa.
Okafa.
Yeah,
Okafa is in Kaduna State, right?
No, it's in Isolo, local government in Lagos.
Beautiful, beautiful. So please, if you're looking for a very good school to put your children, I tell you, that school is in fact, the best. I tell you. Good teachers, well-trained teachers, you're sure to have your children coming out with the best. Well done.
For sure. Thank
well
you very
done.
much.
Okay, in my own language, what are you cooking for us?
What I'm cooking today is Nali Igbo. Nta macaroni.
Number, I don't want Igbo. Now in my own language, speak English, make I hear.
So what am I cooking today? I'm cooking macaroni.
Okay.
Different dimensions.
Hey.
This one today is superb.
Can guess yours.
Yes.
So what are the things we want to
The
do?
things I use is a carrot.
We have carrot.
We have the green beans.
Oh wow.
We have curry.
Curry powder.
Yeah, we have curry powder here. We have tomato.
Okay.
We have granite oil here.
Wow.
We have tomato here.
And the
We have
paste.
corn. The paste here. We have the paste. We have the fresh one and the paste. We have corn.
That's sweet corn.
Sweet corn. Onions.
Beautiful.
Salt to taste.
Green peas.
Green peas.
Okay. So what do we have here?
Seasoning cubes.
Okay.
Chicken.
We are eating it with chicken.
Yes. And thyme.
And time pay. Time
really,
is.
to make everything good.
No wahala. All right. So, viewers, don't go anywhere. We are going to be preparing this. When we come back, we'll start. Let's wash our hands and get set. Okay, so now you want to start with this. You have washed your hands.
Okay. All right.
Do you want to add a little salt?
A little salt, yes.
Hey, Ingwa, bring the cover. Let me ask. Is this water enough?
No, I guess more.
I'm sure auntie always have time to cook at home. Because I'm with your work, you'll be waking up very early.
Yes, so for real.
Yes, ma'am. So, because you're a very busy person, and I'm sure your day starts early.
Yes.
How do you start your day normally before going to school
I
for the
cook.
day's activity?
As a wife of the house, I cook.
Even
I make
that
breakfast.
early?
Yes.
Wow.
I make breakfast and put in the flask for them. They move to work.
And you move to work.
Yes.
So that's just what you wake up in the morning, get up from bed just like that, and go to kitchen.
No, I do domestic work at home.
Hey, and I
Yes.
just want to know, to learn.
Okay,
Because
yes.
you are not a small child, mama. You are wonderful and you are looking good. Yes. So I just want to tap part of your early morning routine so that maybe if I use part of them for myself, so I'll be looking younger, youthful, and beautiful like somebody I'm looking directly now. Don't worry, you will get to see the person soon, very soon. You know, that's why I want to tap. So you wake up.
Yeah, I wake up in the morning.
In the morning.
There's a brush, bath, then go to the kitchen.
Wow.
Yes. For the breakfast.
For the breakfast.
Yes. So
Those
I prepare the
activities
breakfast.
alone.
Yes. Those are
Get
things
you
I can do in
busy.
the morning. But before I will, in the night I take time to do other things.
Okay.
In the morning, not that it's bathing and then going to the kitchen to prepare anything for them.
All right, it's dry. Watch your hand. Don't worry. Just pour the oil first, ma.
Okay.
Don't worry. One after the other. Don't rush it.
I want
Let me
to
help
fry.
you
Thank you, madam. I want to fry the chicken.
Okay.
Fry a little so that it can give us a taste of what we want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
And
trying
see
to
that it's
rub
fat.
the I'm trying to rub the oil, the salt,
the salt,
so that it doesn't stay in one place.
Better.
Because you know it's
even if we
being
enter to
burnt.
the oil, it will still mix.
It's to
Yes.
still mix. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Over to you.
All right.
I want you to tell us bits of your experience. You know, when you are in charge of school like that, you experience so many things.
Many.
As you're experiencing different things from different children because of the different backgrounds,
For real.
you also experience different behavior even from the parents. So far, so good. What can you say is the most nasty experience you've had from any parents?
Yeah, the nasty things you can see in a school that will surprise you. You don't even know how to start defending yourself. What did not happen? The child will go home and concur the story to the parents.
Wow.
And instead of being sure, they will now get ready to fight you in the school. Yes, they'll come and fight you. Man, this happened. You will be surprised. But when you call the class teacher, you will see that nothing like that happened.
Can you imagine?
So it's training. Okay, yeah. The children they think they have developed themselves in telling lies. Then instead of the parents noticing that child is something else, they will believe that anything the child says is a reality.
I beg, please advise the parents at
Yes.
home now, based on what you have said now.
Yes.
Let me advise them.
I advise the parents to listen to the children very well and caution and ask them questions before taking action.
Action. That's necessary. Yeah. Some parents are very quick to
react. They are very quick to reaction.
You know, whatever, all these your children. I remember my daughter, she's almost graduating now. She's in the university. When she first entered secondary school, every visiting day, Mommy, I don't want to be a bother again. I say, hey, yeah, what happened? This. At times, she won't be able to give me an excuse.
No, good one, good.
You must have a reason. If you give me a very tangible excuse, without thinking it twice, I will withdraw you. You will become a day student.
Yes.
No time to be taking her every day. But I told her, I said, give me a very good reason. Yes. Before you know, you should be, by the time she finished year one, she was now. Some other people came in and they started calling, senior talker, senior talker. I would not ask her, oh, do you want to still become a brother? Oh. She has started enjoying it.
Children,
and some other thing. You see, if you, as a parent, if you listen and act on everything your child or your children tell you, I pray we don't misbehave. So that is just it. It is well. So you have had it. Okay, so this, we are going to be frying this. We don't want this to be so golden brown. By the time it finishes, we're going to do it. All right, I think it's about time. We are going to use the same oil. Let me give you a plate so that you can pack the chicken into as well.
Okay, better. Thank you.
I'll just pack the chicken and put the chicken aside.
This is okay, sir.
No, don't worry. Okay. I'm sure this. Okay, the sieve is here.
Yeah, the sieve is here.
Why are you doing this? You are doing as if you know they cook, Mama. Don't fall my hand, though. No. Okay, you don't want to add your onions.
I will. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Because without frying this, my husband can't even eat it.
Eh?
I said without frying this tomato, but me, sometimes I don't fry it.
Sometimes you don't fry onions. It's good to fry onions. Okay, just a few more minutes. Okay, that one is frying. You want me to cover this?
I cover it.
And remember, you have all other things to add so that they can cook together. You have added your paste. I know your mind is somewhere else. Please let your mind be here in the kitchen for the meantime.
All right,
no problem, no wahala.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Thank you. It depends on how you want it. If you want all, you can use. Yes, put all.
I can put all now.
To give you good color.
Give me good color and good taste. I need water.
Okay.
So they can boil together.
Exactly. It's still going to fry more. Okay, this is nice. This is good. So we allow it to, yes. Okay, viewers, as you can see, this pasta is ready. We've parboiled it actually up to the stage that you'll need to eat it. So we want to wait for this to boil, but don't go away. I'm still here with Mrs. Uweme. We'll be doing the other frying together. Then you see the end result. I'll be right back. The program is still African Kitchen. I'll see you soon. You're welcome back. On this note, we're welcoming you back. If you're just joining, no, we've not gone far. Just sit down, settle down, and continue to follow us. We just boiled the pasta. Yeah. And we call this one twist. You know, pasta comes in different shapes. This is the twist. Not the elike, but this is the twist. And what are the combinations you have here, ma?
Okay, the combination I have here, the tomato fresh one, the paste. Then onions first, the paste, the tomato fresh one, the paste, curry, and I've time.
I want us to
So
do something,
sorry.
ma.
I'm
I want
sorry
us
that I
to
didn't tell
season.
you.
I want us to season this in.
It's true.
You know the burnt onions are
Then
usually
this
very
is
sweet.
onion, very, very. This is.
You want me to
the
pour
chicken.
them here?
No, don't worry yourself. That. You can take it.
So what's to marinate the chicken inside the sauce?
We have added the chicken inside the sauce.
So we will
So I
now
want
wait
to
for
now-
it. We will bring this chicken out.
Out.
Are you sure that's okay?
No, let it stay a little.
Okay. So I guess I increase it. It's okay. It's done. It's going now. So we're doing this so as the chicken, so that the chicken will have
have
the taste
taste.
of the sauce.
Yeah.
You understand?
Before
Okay.
we continue.
Don't pack all the sauce with it.
Yeah, that is what. That's why we needed to use this. With the spoon now, it will come out. All of them will follow.
So you can see now that the chicken is taking another shape. So if you have many, that's how they will look. Good. So nice. So now continue to add all your.
Okay, so I want to add other recipe to make my cooking more effective.
All right.
So this is
The green pea.
The green pea?
They are going.
so I'm adding it.
The pea.
So I'm adding the
And the one in the pod. The same pea.
yes.
Go ahead.
Okay.
That, add them.
I'm adding the green beans. So and I'm adding
Okay, the spring onions.
the spring onions. Oh, very good. Spring onions.
You can see we are playing with colors.
Yes, and the colors are good. Now the carrot is going in. And then the white,
The sweet
the
corn.
sweet corn.
This is nice. You've added salt.
I've added salt.
You've added the
I've
seasoning
added
cubes.
seasoning cubes. Yeah.
That's why it's coming out well. Why you? We will say wow.
Wow.
I like this style because it's so easy. No, mommy, leave this. Don't worry. I don't want to stress you. Now let's do some magic.
But there's no water.
There's no. We don't need water again. We don't need water again, ma. Thank you. Don't let it waste. Thank you. God bless you. I like that. I like you. I like your style. I like, you see? So come out well, because already the pasta is done.
Done. Yeah.
If you want to enjoy your pasta, don't overcook it. Don't cook it more than 10 minutes. So by the time you now pour the fried sauce, everything,
will come out.
mix them well. So when you are eating, and remember when we were boiling, when she was boiling in the beginning, she added pinch of salt into the pasta. That helps the pasta to have taste.
It's wonderful.
This is nice. So it will just come out well. My children love this style.
And this style is the best.
It's very simple and easy.
Yeah, it's very simple and
It will not make your pasta to be over soft.
and it will have taste.
It will have taste.
That's another thing.
So by the time you mix everything well, just leave the lowest heat to simmer it down.
Together.
I have the feel now. Turn. Excuse me. I've helped you to turn. So gently.
Thank you
just
very
turn.
much. Good work done.
So you have seen, viewers,
Yeah.
our pasta is ready.
Very, very ready.
Very ready
To eat.
Ready to
And
serve.
delicious.
Ready to eat.
Yes.
Don't go anywhere. We are going straight to the table from the kitchen right now to taste this wonderful pasta. Thank you very much, madam.
you very
Thank you
much.
so
I
much.
appreciate it.
I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Yeah, welcome back, viewers. Nice exercise in the kitchen, if you ask me, right? All right. So we are being joined by a guest on the table. Let's meet you, my darling sister.
My name is Fumi Eimiso.
Emiso.
Eimiso.
Emiso. Where are you from?
From Undo State.
Oh, Emiso. In fact, the way you even pronounce the name, really, it's an Emiso. What do you do, ma'am?
I'm a teacher by profession.
Woo! She's also a teacher. I told you, please, parents, can you look at this wonderful lady? She's not looking beautiful. I tell you, if you bring your child or your children to that school, they are sure to be in safe hands. Please, can you wave to them? Yeah. All right. Why not settle down with us and let's eat this? Our guest prepared it. join us as we eat. Thank you. Very good exercise, if you ask me.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, how was the meal?
Very delicious.
If you are going to describe the meal in 2 sentences, go ahead.
It's delicious and then a little bit spicy. Yeah, I like
Is that
it
a
way.
problem for you?
Yeah. No,
Hey.
but it's actually very good. So it doesn't feel irritating.
Okay.
Yes, it's perfect like that.
Thank you, because I love that taste.
Yeah.
Oh, very well. Honestly. And what do you observe about the vegetables there?
Yeah, they were crunchy, not very cooked. So must have boiled it from the scratch with the cooking. Those who cook it together from the scratch. But this was just in a little frying, not a deep frying with
Exactly.
tomato. Yeah.
Very good.
So it's very good.
So it has not even, it didn't even lose any nutrient
At all. Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, ma'am. You really did wonderfully well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for staying tuned, viewers. I appreciate you all. This is where we're going to be drawing the curtains for this episode. Why not join me again next week with another guest on your #1 television cookery program, African Kitchen. Before I sign out, I want to say a very big thank you to our donors, our partners. Thank you very much. My production crew, you've been wonderful. I love you all. Thank you so much. You are the best. I'm very proud to say that anywhere. My producers, thank you so much. Join me again next week. It is African Kitchen. I remain Buki Ogunote. From me and all my guests, we say bye.
Bye.
God bless you.
God bless you.